Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for you, an in-depth review of the brand new Pura 70 Ultra. This phone is packed with some impressive features, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Pura 70 Ultra measures 162.6 by 75.1 by 8.4 millimeters and weighs 226 grams. It has a glass front, an aluminum frame, and a silicone polymer back with an eco-leather finish. It feels premium in hand and is IP68 dust and water resistant, which means it can survive in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes. The display is one of the standout features of this phone. It boasts a 6.80-inch LTPO OLED panel with 1 billion colors, HDR support, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness of 2500 nits makes it incredibly visible even under direct sunlight. With a resolution of 1260 x 2844 pixels, a 20.31 to 9 aspect ratio, and a pixel density of 460p, everything looks sharp and vibrant. Under the hood, the Pura 70 Ultra is powered by the Kirin 9010 chipset built on a 7-nm process. It features an octa-core CPU configuration with 1x to 3 GHz Taishan Big, 3x to 18 GHz Taishan Mid, and 4x 155 GHz Cortex F510 cores, along with the Malium 910 GPU. While this chipset may be considered mid-range, it's designed to handle most tasks with ease. However, it's worth noting that at this flagship price point, some users might expect a more powerful processor. The phone comes with 3 memory configurations: 256 GB with 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB with 16 GB of RAM, and a whopping 1 TB with 16 GB of RAM, plenty of storage and memory to keep things running smoothly. Running on HarmonyOS 4.2, the Pura 70 Ultra offers a clean and fluid user experience. However, one of the major drawbacks is the lack of Google mobile services. While there are third-party workarounds, this could be a deal breaker for some users. Now, let's talk cameras. The Pura 70 Ultra is equipped with an impressive triple rear camera setup. The main wide camera features a 50MP sensor with an f/1.6 to 4.0 aperture, a large 1-inch sensor, PDDF, laser AF, sensor shift OIS, and a retractable lens. The telephoto camera is also 50MP with an f/2.1 aperture, PDF, OIS, and 3.5x optical zoom. The ultra-wide-angle camera comes in at 40MP with an f/2.2 aperture and autofocus. In terms of video, the rear camera can capture 4K at 60 fps with both gyro EIS and OIS for stabilization. The front camera is a 13MP ultra-wide sensor with an f/2.4 aperture and autofocus, capable of 4K video at 60 fps with EIS. The camera performance, especially the main sensor, is top-notch and great for photography enthusiasts. The battery is a solid 5200 mAh unit, supporting 100W wired charging, 80W wireless charging, 20W reverse wireless charging, and 18W reverse wired charging. This means you'll have no trouble keeping your device powered up quickly and efficiently. For connectivity, the Pura 70 Ultra supports 5G dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 with L2HC, NFC, and even an infrared port. There's also an under-display optical fingerprint reader for secure and convenient unlocking. Some other notable features include stereo speakers and BTS satellite calling and messaging. The Pura 70 Ultra also comes with the durable crystal armor Kunlun glass, providing extra protection for your screen. In conclusion, the Pura 70 Ultra is a feature-packed smartphone with an outstanding display, impressive camera setup, and a premium build. However, the mid-range chipset and the absence of Google mobile services might be a concern for some users. If you can look past these drawbacks, the Pura 70 Ultra offers a lot to love. Thanks for watching our review of the Pura 70 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Pura 70 Ultra and if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Feel free to adjust the script to better fit your style or add any additional points.